Okay, so looks like I'm recording. I'm really not sure how to work this, but we're gonna see what happens. I'm not even sure if it can hear my voice, but let's see. Let's go into a battle. So I'm on my level 6 account. I think we're at 1891 trophies. I really didn't even look at my deck to see what we had here. Okay, he's going to start off with a giant. Let's just go Goblin Barrel and see what kind of answer he has for that. Baby Dragon, okay. We're going to go Tombstone. Zap all those skellies. Then we're going to go Minions. I'm just going to let that Baby Dragon do his thing, and then we're going to push on the left here with the Hog Rider. 1, 2, 3 swings. And we took out the Wizard. Nice. So pretty good exchange. He's got my right side down. Valkyrie for that Goblin Barrel, but that one in the back. Okay, now we got the lead. Alright, what are we going to do here? Let's go with a Valkyrie. He's going to rage that Baby Dragon. Alright, so that worked pretty well for him there. Even match here so far. Set up with the Tombstone. And let's just push. Oh, he just spent 5 on the giant. Uh-oh, he's got the Skarmy ready. Hog Rider gets in 2 swings, though. What's he got? Okay, he's going to go Valkyrie. So we can go Valkyrie 2. Oh, he's going to Tornado everything. And we're going to go Goblin Barrel. Good placement there with the Baby Dragon, but I still did a lot of damage. Can I get both of these guys? Nice. I changed that Baby Dragon over to the right side. That should do it. And should we wait for the Baby Dragon? Let's just push right in the middle. Oh no, I didn't want to bring it that way. That's alright. We're sitting fine. Wait for the Baby Dragon to cross and the Wizard. There we go, Goblin Barrel. And that is a good game.